Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're looking at the Vitamix 15255 Tritan Copolyester Container, which comes with a wet blade and lid, designed to be an essential addition to your Vitamix blender setup. Now, if you're someone who enjoys the power and versatility of a Vitamix blender, but finds that certain tasks like making smoothies or soups are a bit challenging with larger containers, this could be the perfect solution. Let's find out if this 48-ounce container truly lives up to the expectations. The Vitamix 15255 container is crafted from Tritan Copolyester, a material known for its durability and resistance to impacts. One of its main selling points is that it is BPA-free, so you can rest easy knowing your food is safe from potentially harmful chemicals. The 48-ounce capacity is ideal for those who don't need to make huge batches, but still want enough space to process a decent amount of ingredients. It's also lightweight, which makes handling and pouring much easier than some of the bulkier options out there. This container includes a wet blade, optimized for smoothies, hot soups, and frozen desserts. Basically, everything you'd want a blender to handle. Additionally, it comes with a Mini-Tamper, a tool that allows you to mix and process thicker mixtures without the risk of damaging the blade or having to stop to scrape down the sides. Now, if you're someone who struggles with the mess of scraping or frequently needs a tool to keep things moving, this tamper could really make your blending experience smoother and more efficient. In real-world use, I found the setup process for this container to be pretty straightforward. It fit easily onto my Vitamix base, and the connection was secure. I was immediately impressed with how stable it felt, even when processing some thicker smoothies. The 48-ounce capacity is just right. It's not so large that I end up with a lot of leftovers, but it's still big enough to handle a variety of tasks. When making a smoothie, the Vitamix 15255 really shone. The wet blade cuts through frozen fruit and ice with ease, leaving no lumps behind. And when it came to making a hot soup, the blending was fast, and the container didn't heat up excessively, which is something I've seen with other plastic containers. The Mini-Tamper proved invaluable when processing thicker mixtures like nut butter. I didn't have to stop to scrape the sides, and the ingredients blended evenly without any issues. However, there are a few points worth considering. While the 48-ounce size is ideal for many uses, it's still a bit small for larger families or those who entertain frequently. If you're trying to make a large batch of soup or smoothies for several people, you might need to do multiple rounds. Additionally, while the container is designed to fit under most kitchen cabinets, it's not the smallest container out there, so some cabinets may still pose a challenge if space is limited. One of the things that really stands out about the Vitamix 15255 is the build quality. The Tritan copolyester material is lightweight yet incredibly sturdy. It's a clear upgrade over many cheaper plastic alternatives, which can often crack or degrade over time. The BPA-free construction is also a significant plus, particularly for those who are concerned about the potential health risks of chemicals leaching into food from lower quality plastics. On the downside, the price of this container might be off-putting for some. It's not exactly cheap, and while it's undeniably well made, some people may prefer to buy a more basic container from a third-party brand. However, if you already own a Vitamix blender, this container fits perfectly into your existing system, and that's where the value comes in. When comparing the Vitamix 15255 with other 48-ounce blender containers on the market, the primary difference lies in the quality of materials and the inclusion of the Mini-Tamper. While there are more budget-friendly options out there, like some from Ninja or Hamilton Beach, they often lack the same premium build and precision blending capabilities that Vitamix offers. For instance, you might find containers that look similar in size, but they usually don't perform as well with thicker mixtures or handle the heat of hot soups without issues. In terms of build quality and longevity, this container feels like it can withstand the test of time. The Tritan material is known for its durability, and considering Vitamix's reputation for creating reliable, long-lasting products, I have no doubt that this container will hold up well with regular use. I've heard plenty of positive feedback about Vitamix containers lasting for years without showing signs of wear, so I expect this one will be no different. When it comes to customer service, Vitamix has earned a solid reputation. While I haven't personally needed to contact them about this container, their support team is generally known for being responsive and helpful. If there's ever an issue with your container, you can expect to be treated professionally and have any concerns addressed promptly. Additionally, Vitamix products are backed by a warranty, so you've got some peace of mind if anything goes wrong. Now, as for the value for money, I would say the Vitamix 15255 is certainly a worthwhile investment, especially if you're someone who uses their Vitamix regularly and wants a container that can handle a variety of tasks. The price may seem steep at first, but considering the build quality, the performance, and the longevity of the product, it's a solid purchase for those who want something that can take their blending to the next level. If you're looking for something similar in size and function, but at a lower price point, you could explore some third-party options, but keep in mind they may not offer the same level of performance or durability. To sum it all up, the Vitamix 15255 Tritan Copolyester Container is a high-quality product that does exactly what it's meant to do. It provides excellent performance for smoothies, soups, and desserts, while being incredibly easy to use and clean. The only real downside is its price and the fact that it's a bit small for larger batches. But if you're working with a smaller household or looking to upgrade your Vitamix accessories, this container is an excellent choice. Thanks for watching today's review. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified about our future reviews. You can find the link to purchase the Vitamix 15255 in the comments box below. If you already own this container or have any questions, feel free to drop a comment. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending with Reviews Inside TV.